Okay, I wanted to show you a quick fix if you've got a tekken with a faulty ignition switch. Seems to be quite a common problem, and you don't really want to change the full switch. A quick fix, well, that's what you do. So this is just showing you a switch for a tekken, and it's sat like that. So if we look on the bottom here, there we go, there. Okay, see that little hole there? It's just a small hole that I drill. And if you look, you can see it just there. If you pull the rubber down, just drill a tiny hole there. Okay, and here's some of this contact cleaner, and little squirt in there. Let it dry off, work it back and forward a few times, and well, works for me. Saves the trouble. I'm not saying it's perfect fix, but hey, save you quite a lot of time and a bit of money. There you go. It just works now. On or off. No messing.